When choosing an air dispersion system, the differences between fabric and metal are clear. Installation. Time is money, and fabric systems install up to 4 times faster than traditional metal ductwork, keeping your project on schedule. Maintenance. Fabric ducts offer a simple, low-maintenance solution. Just take them down and machine wash them. Metal systems require complex, labor-intensive cleaning procedures. When it comes to performance, fabric provides precise, 360-degree air distribution for consistent comfort. Metal ducts are often limited to generic, uneven airflow. Finally, condensation. Our breathable fabric eliminates sweating and moisture buildup, whereas metal ducts are highly prone to condensation, dripping, and eventual corrosion. Visit fabricair.com/contacts to get a free quote in just 24 hours.